We've got lots of people growing moringa. Shout out to California moringa. Shout out to Texas moringa right now. We are in Plant City, Florida. Where are you? We're out here in Tampa. We got Tampa right here. We've got Lakeland right over here. We've got, what do we have just right here? Oh, we've got Zephyr Hills just right there. We're about 20 minutes anywhere from downtown Tampa to Lakeland to Zephyr Hills. We're kind of in this neutral zone here in Tampa, right off of I-4, next to Dinosaur World. Yes. Hey, you know how old and ancient moringa is? This is an ancient tree, ancient Ayurvedic tree from India, native to India and Africa. That's right. A lot of people will say, especially Indians will say that moringa is only native to India, but there are 13 varieties of moringa around the world, and 12 of them reside in Africa. One of the main ones that we have here, the one that the Indians developed, is the Oleifera. Over thousands of years, they developed this one here, which Oleifera is ole and ifera together, which is oil producing. And this is why we press the seeds for oils, because they're the highest ratio of oil to seed than any other moringa. Now there are bigger moringa seeds like the Stenopetala from Africa, which does produce more oil, but the percentage of weight to oil ratio is greatest with the Oleifera seeds, because they are about 30 to 40% of straight oil. That means that this total weight of this one seed right here, oh, I'm sorry, I saw that comment, it just disappeared. I wonder if I can pull the comments back up here. Nice. I saw that comment up there. It sounded like a good one. I'd love to see it again. I'm sorry I missed it. It kind of disappeared from the screen at the time. Don't hesitate to post it again. I'll see it again. That was a good question. I know that was a good question. Anybody have a question here on TikTok? What was I saying about moringa? Oh, I was saying all kinds of good stuff about moringa. We've got tons of people on here